Today I am going to teach you exercise number 2.6 differentiation. Question number 1 part 2. F of x is equal to x cube e raised to power 1 by x. And we want to find the f dash of x. So what we do, we will differentiate with respect to, here variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. D by dx f of x is equal to d by dx x cube e raised to power 1 by x. Now whenever there is differentiation, we will always apply a formula, and the formula is that inverse log tan polynomial exponent. If there are these types of terms, so what we will take u, what we will take v, how to choose. In integration we will choose by this, and in differentiation we will reverse this whole formula. Exponent polynomial tan log inverse. So what we will do, if there is exponent polynomial, it means exponent we will take exponent as u and polynomial as v. If there is exponent and tan, it means we will take exponent as u and tan as v. Similarly, if there is exponent, log and inverse, so we will take exponent as u, log as v and inverse as w. So this term exponent, this term we take as u, consider u, and here this is polynomial, so we'll consider this as v. Now the product rule is, here we apply product rule, and what does product rule says? U into v, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So here we apply u into v. According to product rule, f of x is equal to f dash of x is equal to u e raised to power x derivative of v is x cube, plus v is x cube derivative of u is e raised to power x 1 by x. So here e raised to power 1 by x as it is, and x cube and x, here we apply power according to power rule, and x and minus 1, 3 minus 1 become 2, plus x cube as it is, e raised to power x 1 by x becomes e raised to power 1 by x. Derivative of e raised to power 1 by x is e raised to power 1 by x. Again this is not simple as, so we will differentiate 1 by x. 3x square e raised to power 1 by x plus x cube e raised to 1 by power 1 by x. Now here derivative d by dx, positive 1 become negative 1. 3x square e raised to power 1 by x plus x cube e raised to power 1 by x, and x, we apply a product rule, and x and minus 1. So minus 1 by x to minus 1 becomes minus 2, and when taking the minus 2 in the denominator, minus 2 become positive 2. So 3x square e raised to power 1 by x as it is, plus x cube as it is, e raised to 1 by 1 by x. So x square and x cube cancel, which is equal to 3x square e raised to power 1 by x minus plus minus 2 and 3 cancel, 1 x is left, e raised to power 1 by x. So we can see that x and e raised to power 1 by x is common. What is left? 3x is left, minus x and 1 by x is common, 1. So f dash of x is equal to x into e raised to power 1 by x into 3x minus 1, which is our required solution. This is very important question because nobody tell you that what we take u and what we take v.